Graffiti production
from coast to coast and around the world.
Journey with me into the outlaws in this motherfucker. Young noble outlaw. Yeah, choke what's happening. But you gotta pay the cost to be the boss and shit. So keep hating, we'll keep anticipating any angle, impossible situation we facing. In short, haters get blazed up, honeys get laced up. Long town, throwing them trays up. Got dudes in the hood saying, who that, who that? Got my mind on my domain, true that, true that. Oh, outlaw for life, I'ma tell you what it is, tell you what it was. I'ma show you how I live, show you how I done. I'ma tell you how I feel, tell you where I'm coming from. You don't feel that? Then motherfuck all of y'all. Tell you what it is, tell you what it was. I'ma show you how I live, show you how I done. I'ma tell you how I feel, tell you where I'm coming from. You don't feel that? Then motherfuck all of y'all. I'm an outlaw for the cause, don't never forget it. Put your best foot forward, leave the past behind. Street rap like crack, homie, this is my crime. These is more than just rhymes, these ghetto scriptures for the hopeless. Voiceless niggas locked in prison, it was my decision to never change. Keep dropping the realest shit since Pac was living. Young Nob, EDI, young Captain Cash, Hussein, True James, what I give to the masses. You ain't got a life, it's just respect the movement, to move anything other than that. You being stupid, homie, don't do it. We are not those rappers, we real niggas, homie, that just happen to be rappers. I'ma tell you what it is, tell you what it was. I'ma show you how I live, show you how I done. I'ma tell you how I feel, tell you where I'm coming from. You don't feel that? Then motherfuck all of y'all. Tell you what it is, tell you what it was. I'ma show you how I live, show you how I done. I'ma tell you how I feel, tell you where I'm coming from. You don't feel that? Then motherfuck all of y'all. Plot the Glock pack hollow ones. Believe us, cause with me you have a problem once. By the second time you dead or a shaky one. I roll with goons that'll do you little Brady bunch. I'm a problem, a walking felony. You fit it back with another one. It's all good, yo. Outlaw for life, I'ma tell you what it is, tell you what it was. I'ma show you how I live,